Imagine a place where you can rise high above, a place where you can find peace, comfort, and wellness. Imagine a place where you can rise to Cloud 9. Directly connected with Addis Ababa and the Bole Airport by high-speed rail, the new Bishooftuu International Airport is the central node of a new regional transport system. Its vibrant airport city creates strong investment opportunities beyond the terminal itself. The new airport is home to Ethiopian Airlines, the award-winning Star Alliance carrier. Carefully tailored to Ethiopians' needs, Bishooftuu Airport provides a world-class travel experience with a special focus on transfer traffic as the global hub of Africa. Every traveler passing through the Bishooftuu Airport has a unique experience of Ethiopia. The terminal is bright and airy, with luscious, open-air gardens accessible on the airside, landscaped with trees and local vegetation. You can touch Africa with your own hands. The most discerning travelers and loyal passengers have access to the Cloud 9 Lounge within its own dedicated building at the center of the terminal, featuring exclusive dining, rest areas, spa, and a gym. The terminal's interior is planned as a set of buildings within the main structure. Together, they form a small city. Each neighborhood is defined by a set of volumes containing shopping, dining, and airside hotel accommodation. Efficiently constructed as a modular kit of parts, the new terminal is cost-effective and flexible, providing a long-term return on investment for the nation. The new airport at Bishooftuu is a microcosm of Ethiopia, drawing from the colors, textures, and materials of different corners of the country. Different regions characterize each terminal pier, centered around the central spine of the Great Rift Valley. Arriving at Bishooftuu Airport means a warm welcome to Africa, with the embrace of Ethiopian hospitality and immersion into the airport's lush gardens, providing respite from a long journey as you wait for your bags. Naturally ventilated, semi-enclosed spaces minimize energy consumption. A LEED Gold-rated building, Bishooftuu International Airport is the most climatically optimized terminal in the world. The new Bishooftuu International Airport, a new gateway to Ethiopia, the crossroads of a continent, and a gleaming portal from Africa to the world.